Tired of seeing your credit score suffer because of errors on your Experian report? Let's fix that. First, head over to Experian's website. Experian. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and essential for managing your credit report online. Once logged in, navigate to your credit report. Look for a section labeled Dispute an Item, or something similar. It might be under Credit Monitoring or Dispute Center. Carefully review your report and identify the specific error you want to dispute. This could be an incorrect account balance, a wrongly reported late payment, or an account that doesn't belong to you. Now, start the dispute process. You'll be prompted to provide details about the inaccurate information. Be as clear and concise as possible, explaining why you believe the information is incorrect. Here's a pro tip: gather any supporting documentation, such as bank statements, payment confirmations, or letters from creditors that prove your claim. You can usually upload these directly to Experian's website. Review all your information one last time, then submit your dispute. Experian is required to investigate your claim within 30 days. You'll receive updates on the status of your dispute via email or within your Experian account. Be patient and check regularly for responses. If Experian finds the error in your favor, they'll update your credit report, which could significantly improve your credit score. Remember, regularly reviewing and disputing errors on your credit reports is key to maintaining a healthy financial profile.